More than 50% of the Indian population suffer from anemia. Now we all know that anemia is an outcome of your red blood cells not functioning properly, or you may be having weak red blood cells. So we need red blood cells actually, uses its protein called hemoglobin, to transport oxygen from lungs to different organ cells and tissues inside our body, right? And if you have anemia, there are number of interventions which healthcare practitioners allow to address anemia, which may include iron supplements or even vitamin B12 supplements. But there are two major reasons why these supplements will not work. First thing is the deficiency of signaling molecule called nitric oxide. Now your oral microbiome could biotransform nitrate into nitrite, which mixes with stomach acid to produce nitric oxide. Now, if your oral microbiome is in dysbiosis stage, or you have a compromised oral health, or you have a systemic inflammation which is causing endothelial dysfunction, your body cannot produce nitric oxide. Now we need nitric oxide to regulate oxygen delivery to various cells, organs and tissues to control the function of red blood cells, right? So deficiency of nitric oxide could lead to anemia, and you need to fix your oral health probably if you have to get rid of this anemic situation, right? Second aspect, and the most important aspect, is the deficiency of a fatty acid called pentadecanoic acid, which is C15. Now this particular fat is required to maintain the structure stability of your cell membrane. When you are deficient in this fat, your red blood cells become weak. They are engulfed by immune cells of liver, and then you have weak red blood cells. You have your red blood cells are not functioning properly, and you have the situation of anemia, right? So understanding the root cause of anemia is very, very important to overcome this issue of less oxygenation of your body organs, right? So fix your oral health, fix your oral microbiome, overcome your inflammation, and strengthen your structure of your cell membrane so that there are no weak red blood cells, and your metabolic health is in tip top shape.